Bullish swipe cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.49 and $3.25 by 2030. Market investigators accept SXP could reach $1.49 by 2025. Bearish swipe market cost expectation for 2022 is 26 cents. Swipe presentation. The cryptographic money market has become very serious, however, has developed greatly as additional foundations embrace the utilization of advanced monetary standards in their everyday business and ventures. SXP has serious areas of strength however, it is viewed as an unstable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their property to a more steady money. Notwithstanding, SXP means to be a completely decentralized resource after its obtaining by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. Yet, in this piece, we assess the potential outcomes of Swipe recapturing its forward movement before very long by investigating the center essentials of the venture, ongoing turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on SXP cost estimates from cryptographic money specialists. What is Swipe? Swipe, or Sunlight-based organization, is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make a biological system where organizations or people can create check cards upheld by digital money and encourage a simple installment experience. Swipe is worked to go about as an extension between installment organizations and crypto trades. They expect to empower genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area interest and use the designated confirmation of stake agreement component to keep a proficient and viable blockchain convention with many elements. This made the convention extraordinary and not quite the same as the other blockchain's undertakings as it keeps turning on current innovation. The Swipe network awards clients an exceptionally protected system to get to near 150 digital forms of money in more than 70 million districts as a vehicle of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention. The SXP token is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization, like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain and off-chain installments, and so on. The symbolic aids in taking care of handling and exchange expenses, a method for deciding on the convention for updates and initiative, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Brilliant chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue charges. One of the exceptional highlights of Swipe is the one-of-a-kind programming interface and lock include that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone. To quickly work, the client gets another card. Sunlight-based organization was obtained by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its element to help the change of NFTs, computerized resources, and digital forms of money to fiat at a state-of-the-art transformation rate. Swipe basic investigation. Sun-powered organization was established in 2018 by Joselito Lizarrando, going about as the president, and Naam Willems, who is at present the central specialized official. The establishing group is very much knowledgeable about the improvement of blockchain innovation, business in the monetary area, and the development of a functioning local area, which they applied in forming Swipe into a top-notch specialized item. Associations. Swipe has developed its area and client base by coordinating its frameworks into the blockchain and conventional money industry, particularly in the check card area. Swipe includes the Swipe programming interface, the Swipe charge cards, and the Swipe trade that has helped in developing the Swipe environment and local area. The different achievements that SXP has gone through have driven the cost to a high point, similar to the procurement of the organization by Binance, the main digital money trade stage, in July 2020. Binance local token was recorded in the Swipe stage, making BNB a tradable resource through the Swipe check card. During the meeting after the securing of the firm, Swipe's ex-president expressed, Swipe will probably additionally synchronize crypto with government-issued money-based exchanges, collaborating with Binance, given their reality-perceived history and client base, close by a group that continually executes, will put Swipe in the situation to make digital currencies more open for a great many clients around the world. Swipe current cost. Swipe is at present worth 33 cents USD. SXP has moved 1.57% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,539,731. Swipe is at present positioned 153 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $166,752,443 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Swipe to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Swipe market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Swipe Value Forecast 2022. Swipe, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The SXP cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 49 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 46 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. SXP is supposed to have a base worth of 39 cents. Swipe value forecast 2023. In 2023, Swipe SXP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SXP will before long outperform 82 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the SXP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SXP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 66 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 73 cents. Swipe value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.16 and SXP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.06 and a low of 99 cents in 2024. Swipe value forecast 2025. Assuming that Swipe effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the SXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SXP will be green in 2025. The SXP is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.49, with a base cost of $1.33 and a typical cost of $1.39. Swipe value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SXP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.73 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.66 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SXP has a greatest value worth of $1.83. Swipe value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.06. On the off chance that SXP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.16. Neglecting to assemble the help SXP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.99. Swipe value expectation 2028. While SXP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.32 and a yearly cost close above $2.49 in 2028. Swipe value forecast 2029. By 2029, Swipe will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.66 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.82, averaging out at $2.72. Swipe value